Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And many time we see that we miss our username and password. So at that time there is no issue. If we know your username etc., then it is good. We can click on lost password. But if we forget a username and password both, so for that time it is easy to handle via phpMyAdmin. So let's get started. Today I will show you how can add a user via phpMyAdmin. I am a plugin developer with 11-year experience, expert in WooCommerce, GeoDirectory and hybrid customization. I also expert in custom REST API and WP GraphQL development. If you love customization, WordPress and WooCommerce, make sure to subscribe my channel. So in the first step, go to phpMyAdmin. Now I am at here and with my database. So first go to WP users. Now click on add new item and at here click user login. Suppose YouTube demo and password. You can put strong password at here like YouTube at the rate has for anything which you want, and also select user pass as MD5. Okay, and there is no requirement of user nice name at here, and you can enter new email ID which you want. And after that at here it is asking for user registered, so you can click on now, so it will insert current user ID. That's it. Click on save now. Now it is 5 ID for our this user YouTube demo. And now go to another table WP user meta and click on new item and insert ID 5 and meta key at here. Two meta data we will add. First is for capability. Meta key as capability and meta value. Okay, now save and insert next. Okay, and now again WP user label and at here put 10 and also user ID which is 5 and save. Now our user is inserted and you can now insert. Okay, sorry, I forget username at this time, so I am putting this as putting this as password. So again click on MD5 and select. So means MD5 is important at this time. And now go to WP admin and now enter password. Now it is you can log in to your dashboard. and that's it. Now you know how to add a user via phpMyAdmin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorial. Drop your question or experience with add new user via phpMyAdmin. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.